Good morning. This is Feasibility Study Module 3 on technical aspects of feasibility study. Technical analysis is all about collecting and studying of the needed techniques that will help you to effectively run your business. The essence of conducting technical analysis for your startup is to ensure that you are well equipped with the right resources to successfully launch your business. Technical analysis is also similar to economic analysis because it also involves the law of demand and supply and market fluctuation. Technical analysis will enable you to determine the method of production to be employed, equipment, spare parts and tools, site development, supporting facilities, and the nature of the factory, building, fencing, and so on. This part of feasibility study deals with the technological requirement of the business. Constantly review your technical analysis documents. So once you are able to successfully follow all the steps discussed, then you would have succeeded in conducting a technical analysis for your startup. Technical analysis are composed of the following. For the product, letter B, manufacturing process, letter C, plant size and production schedule, letter D for machinery, letter E for plant location, letter F for plant layout, letter G for structure, letter H for raw materials, letter I for utilities, and the last is water disposal. Product is your idea on what you will sell on your business proposal. A product can be a goods, which can be perishable, and services in exchange of money for the services you have given. Manufacturing process are the steps through which raw materials are transformed into a final product. It begins with the product design and materials specification from which the product is made. Plant size or production schedule. Determination upon optimum plant size is critical to the success of a project. The best possible size of plant is recommended after analyzing the availability, economic, and practicability of a different
Machinery.
size option. In business, you need to prepare what particular or specific machines will be used for your business. Plant location refers to this choice where men, referring to you and your business creator, materials, money, machinery, and equipment are brought together for setting up a business in factory. Plant layout is the most effective physical arrangement either existing or in plans of industrial facilities, arrangement of machine, processing of equipment, and service department to achieve greatest consideration of 4 M's: men, material, machineries, and methods in a plant. Structure means the object of your products, on how you will fix it and become your product for selling. Raw materials. It is a basic material for which a product is made. Utilities. Utilities means expenses that you use in the operation of your business, such as electricity and water that you use and be part of your expenditure. Waste disposal means removing or destroying or strongly damaged, uses to other unwanted domestic, agricultural, or industry product and substances. Disposal can also be recycled. This is the end of Module 3B, Technical Aspect of Feasibility Study.